With this homemade cream, you will get to eliminate 1 kilo of fat in the stomach every day. If you desire to be able to eliminate all that saturated fat and located in areas like the abdomen, legs, arms and neck, then this homemade cream-based figs is ideal for you. This fat-reducing and burning cream is responsible for firming the skin in areas where the fat rebel is deposited. For example, if placed on the neck, will directly attack the fat and eliminate the double chin. It is also very effective in combating cellulite or orange skin. The figs have properties that make them sensational to attack the fat of our body, and is more relentless if we use it topically, but also oral. To make this cream at home, it is necessary to combine the cream of figs with other special ingredients, and thus to produce a mixture that annihilates the fat of safe and natural form. Ingredients: 1. Cream of figures. 2. Oregano oil. 3. Leave the Himalaya. 4. Alcohol. Preparation: 1. You should create a homogeneous cream by mixing all the ingredients mentioned. Then apply the cream on the areas you want to lose weight and cover with a cotton sash or a plastic or paper kitchen film. 2. You can apply the reducing cream when you wake up in the morning very early or half an hour before exercising. 3. Clarification. Reducing cream is not a magic remedy, therefore, to have effective results in the burning of fats, you must accompany the treatment with a diet and exercises. As we have known by many friends of ours, with this cream you can get to eliminate 1 kilogram of fat in the stomach every day. This one is really amazing. You must remember that the figs have real properties that help to achieve what we propose.